Did you know your brakes are literally talking to you every time you slow down? Most people hear a weird sound from their wheels and either ignore it completely or freak out and assume the worst. But here's the thing. Every brake sound has a specific meaning, and once you know the code, you are never guessing again. That high squealing noise? Brake pads actually have a tiny metal strip built in just to make that sound. It is a warning, not an emergency. It means your pads are getting low and need replacing soon. Grinding is different. That deep metal-on-metal growl means the pad is gone and the rotor is taking damage right now. That one needs attention today. Pulsing or a shaky pedal under your foot usually points to a warped rotor. The brake surface is uneven, so stopping power comes and goes in little pulses. None of these sounds have to scare you anymore. Each one is just information. And information is the first step toward fixing anything. You have got this.